Hey guys, what's up? It's Mountain Dew Man 53. I'm showing you a video of demolition. Me and One Ton Beast. This is not me. I'm showing myself. I'm not in yet. Just wait a second. There I am. And I think we're both using. Yeah, we're both using Remingtons. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Yeah. So my Remington. I'm like a prestige over that already. I think we lose this round, but I'm not. I cannot. I can barely ever spray with this. I'm only gonna do like the first round because it has to be like under a certain time limit. I don't want to. I want to actually get this video to be like first video on the here. I hit one of them. That's what I hate. He just like sprayed me out. I asked my One Ton Beast why he didn't help me. I'm gonna drive him. I got that gun with 50 pack on now. And I'm working on it. Yeah, one time he was asking me how am I doing this, and I was just kind of screwed. I'll show you more gameplay. I'll show you the gameplay where I get my FAL gold. I got unlocked like 4 cameras in one game. Yeah, so I think that's it. I'm right now 14-3. I can't wait till the Peacekeeper comes out for PS3 because kind of want it. It's kind of. It looks really good. There you can see that you can destroy hunter killers. You can actually also destroy a shock charge, bouncing battery, hellstorm missile. Yeah, that's it. I'm probably just gonna watch this too. Ready for deployment. Friendly UAV inbound. Charging EMP. War machine on standby. Be advised, hostile care package inbound. War machine ready for deployment. Friendly stealth chopper inbound. War machine on standby. Be advised, hostile dragon fire spotted. Charging EMP. Moving. Charging EMP. Shot out.
UAV above. Let's go. UAV on standby. Care package awaiting orders. Be advised, hostile care package inbound. War machine on standby. UAV inbound. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Friendly care package inbound. Attack reload. Guardian ready for deployment. Be advised, hostile machine striking ground. Guardian ready for deployment.